Hi, I'm Jason McDonald with the McDonald Property Group with eXp Realty, and welcome to our newest listing here at 513 Millars Sound in the beautiful community of Half Moon Bay. Come on in and check this out. We're located close to everything. Parks just down the street, stores, restaurants, the whole 9 yards. You're not going to want to miss this one. Come on in. Isn't this fantastic? A double-sided fireplace, great big room open to the kitchen, large eating area, patio door to a PVC fence backyard with a gorgeous shed. We've got a loft area upstairs. We've got a fully finished basement. Come and check it out. You're not going to want to miss this. Isn't this fantastic? Second floor loft as an office or a seating area. Huge master bedroom with double doors. 3-piece ensuite. Gorgeous walk-in closet. And did you see the den down on the main floor? Don't miss the features in this one. I hope you enjoyed this tour of 513 Millars Sound here in Half Moon Bay. And for more information, please don't hesitate to contact myself or any of our team at the McDonald Property Group with eXp Realty. We can be reached at mpgrealty.ca or 613-823-8873. Thank you very much. Have a great day.